Robson Chere, a human rights activist, has initiated legal proceedings against Home Affairs Minister Kazembe Kazembe and the Civil Aviation Authority in Zimbabwe CAAZ Director General Elijah Chingosho, serving both with a notice of his intention to sue. Chere accuses state security agents of abducting and torturing him and fellow activists 3 months ago. Sanamina mashoko atiri kuona kuti aiwa panguva inoi Kazembe Kazembe opinzwa bhizi pamwe nana Chingosho pamusoro pekuabductwa kwakaitwa vana Robson Chere nana Mataiko Fraser. Sanamina mashoko anobuda nyogwa pana blog subscribe like utona bell icon. Nyika yose inoziva nhau iyi yekutochiwa kwawakaita timina muna munyogwa muchinzi. The legal incident occurred on 31 July when Chere and 3 other activists Namataiko Fraser, Samuel Gwenzi and Vuzumuzi Moyo were forcibly removed from a Victoria Falls bound flight at Robert Gabriel Mugabe Airport. The activists, in a letter sent to both Kazembe and Chingosho, Chere, represented by Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, has demanded compensation for what he describes as unlawful arrest, detention, assault and torture, along with the associated pain, suffering and trauma. This letter serves as a notice of intention to sue you for damages for unlawful arrest, detention, unlawful assault or torture, pain and suffering, humiliation and affront to dignity, trauma and nervous shock arising from our client's forced ejectment from an outward bound domestic flight at RG Mugabe International Airport and incommunicado detention, the notice stated. Domashwa atiri kuona kuti aiwa mahuman rights vakumira nana Mataiko Fraser achiti aiwa kusuwiwa kwavakaitiwa vakanga vasina mhosva, aiwa kutocha zvese vakasangana nazvo vari kuti aiwa makatikanganisa zvakanyanya, takanga tine trauma isingatomboiti tichiona vakomana ava munoziva nhau yavo kuti vakapinzwa bhizi ivo vasina kana mhaka. Tiudze mafungiro enyu nekusungiswa kwaitwa Kazembe Kazembe. Vindai comment section medu, musango subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.